Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Math for beginners, arithmetic. It is class 25, part 3, partitive proportion. We define partitive proportion. A whole is divided into parts that is proportional the given ratio. Example, the ratio of boys to girls is 2 by 3, 2 colon 3. If there are 60 boys, then find the number of girls. Now we want to find the number of girls. We have ratio between girl and boys is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Actually, boys, girls. In a group 5 pupil, two of them is girl, boys to girl. Two of them is boy and three of them is girl. Two boys and three girl. If we have 60 boys, how many girl we have? X is equal to, it is direct proportion, so 2 come to denominator and 60 multiplied by 3. 1, 3, 0, 30, 60 divided by 2, 30, 30 multiplied by 3, 90 girls we have. Girls we have. Second example, there are 80 animals in a farm. The ratio of cows to shapes to goats to horse is 4 colon 2 colon 3 colon 1. How many animals of each kind are there in the farm? It is question mark. We have 80 animals, cows, colon sheep, colon goats, colon horse, 4, 2, 3, 1. It means we have 4 kind of animal. If we make a group, in that group, how many animal we have? 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 10 animals. 2 of them is cow, 4 of them is cow, 2 of them is sheep, 3 of them is goats, 1 of them is horse. So if we want to solve this question, we want to find each kind of animals. First we collect this ratio, sum of ratios equal to 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now animals divided by 10 is equal to 18 divided by 10 is equal to 8. Now 8. It is the rate of animals. Now if we want to find cows, number of cows is equal to 4 multiplied by 8. Its ratio multiplied by 8. 4 multiplied by 8, 32. Sheep is equal to 2 multiplied by 8, 16. Goats is equal to 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. Horse, we know that there is 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8 horse. Cows, sheep, goat, and horse. It is the solution of this example.